Hey everyone, I've been a sysadmin for 16 years, and I've seen my fair share of networking headaches. But fear not. Today, I'm going to break down Linux networking into simple terms. Let's dive in. Understanding the basics. First, let's talk about the basics. A network is like a highway. You've got computers, cars, that need to talk to each other. To do that, they use IP addresses, like street addresses, and to find their way, they use a router, like a traffic cop. IP addresses. Every device on a network has a unique IP address. Think of it as your computer's home address. Subnet mask. This tells your computer which part of the IP address is the network and which part is the host. It's like knowing your street but not your house number. Default gateway. This is the address of your router. It's like the exit ramp to the highway. Configuring network interfaces. Now, let's get our hands dirty. We'll start by configuring a network interface. This is like plugging your Ethernet cable into your computer. Check interfaces. IPA shows you all your network interfaces. Configure interface. IP ADDR add 192.168.1.10/24 dev/ed0 sets the IP address. This assigns the IP address 192.168.1.10 with a subnet mask of 24 to the interface ed0. Bring interface up. IP link set ed0 up activates the interface. Routing. Next up, routing. This is how your computer figures out how to send packets to other networks. Default route. IP route add default via 192.168.1.1 tells your computer to send packets to the internet through your router. This tells your computer to send all traffic to the default gateway at 192.168.1.1. Static routes. You can manually add routes to specific networks if needed. Domain name system, DNS. DNS is like the phone book of the internet. It translates domain names, like google.com, into IP addresses. Check DNS settings. This shows the DNS servers configured on your system. Change DNS servers. You can edit /etc/resolve.con to use different DNS servers, but it's generally recommended to house a system-specific configuration tool for better management. Troubleshooting. Networking issues can be frustrating, but there are some basic steps you can take. Check connectivity with ping. Check network configuration. Use IP-A, IP-root, and cat/etc/resolve.con to verify settings. Check cable connections. Make sure cables are plugged in securely. That's it. You've got the basics of Linux networking. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your mistakes. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button for more Linux tips and tricks. Never struggle with Linux networking again. Thanks for watching.